Yo, welcome back to the channel. So last time when I reviewed the Jordan 4 Net, the triple white version, I got flamed in the comments because I was a little mean towards that sneaker. Although I did give it a lot of praises too. People seem to forget that. In this box, we have the triple black version. Let's see if I get flamed again. Let's see what I think about these. All right, so a little unboxing, spoiler alert. I already opened it, as you can see on the on feet. But yeah, you got the netting on the front, on the lid, silver Jumpman logo with the words flight. Also a little Jumpman logo right there. But yeah, that's about it. Yo, the box is really big, but let's open it up. Let's see so they don't fall out. And here they are. Of course, there's originally the paper is over it and they are strapped in. But let's pull them out. Yo, not gonna lie, I like these. And I don't just say that because I got flamed in the comments. If you don't believe me, watch the Galaxy One Foamposites review. I'm honest. And before I tell you why I actually changed my mind when these arrived, even though it's basically the same sneaker as the white version, let me read you some of the comments from the previous video because, my girl, I asked her, I was very curious to know what a female thinks of these, what's her opinion. She didn't like them. And I was a little bit disappointed at that because I'm rooting for Jordan Brand to try new things out. And I want them to succeed and also feel confident enough when they try something new that they keep on innovating and trying more things. I was nervous that if the reaction isn't good with these, they might stop innovating for a while. And, by the looks of it, it seems like the females really like the white Jordan 4 Net. Also, some guys as well, not just females, but let me read you some of the comments. So this person said, I just got them in black. As a female, I liked them. A lot of women I know liked them. That's dope. That's crazy as a man to buy something just to criticize the item. It's a sneaker channel. I bought them because I run a sneaker channel. That's it. I didn't just buy them to criticize them. I was actually curious to know how they feel. And once I got them in hand, I wasn't that impressed. So that's why I bought them. Y'all sneakerheads are just buying Jordans because it's a new drop. No wonder you and a lot of men don't like them, my husband included. Okay. I told them, duh, they weren't marketed for you. Okay, I got another viewer who's also a female who commented as well. As a female, I can confirm that these sneakers are the best I've seen on the market. Definitely bad girl style, and I own a pair in white and now going to buy the black ones. I'm someone who likes rare things that isn't common that you see on others. They are very unique and stylish. It all comes down to how you style yourself if you want to give a bold statement. Very dope comment. I thank you for that. And I think it's true. I agree with you. I think these appeal to the, persons who are a little bit more brave with their choice of fashion. Anyway, thanks for those comments, all of you. I really appreciate it because I'm always curious to know what you think. So these are it. Definitely a lot better than the white ones because I think when it's all triple black, I love the Jordan 4 Black Cats, also the Jordan 3 Black Cats. A lot more easier for me to like these than the white version. And also, in all honesty, the netting just looked a little bit more feminine on the white colorway, and on these black, they just kind of blend in and it looks really dope. Of course, you can remove the little silver Jumpman logo and that will make the sneaker even better, in my opinion, as a man. If you're a female, you should probably keep that on. It gives that little, feminine touch to the sneaker. Last year, Jordan Brand was celebrating Jordan 4's 35th anniversary, and that's why there were so many different Jordan 4s and even 2 experiments. We had the Jordan 4 RMs debuting, in my opinion, very dope sneaker. Almost every single colorway is insane. And then of course we got the Jordan 4 Net, but this one dropped in only 2 colorways. The white ones that we talked about earlier and the triple black. The Jordan 4 Net Black Cats, as I like to call them. This sneaker is all about the blackout vibe with a slick all black rubber outsole and matching midsole that screams stealth mode. But the real magic happens up top. The upper features rich black leather with a netted texture that brings a fresh, futuristic edge to the classic silhouette. The black laces melt perfectly into the dark aesthetic, while the Jordan branding on the tongues and heels keep things low-key but legendary. And just when you think it's all shut shadowed out. A tiny silver Jumpman hang tag drops in like a mic, stealing the show with a touch of icy flair. So basically, when the Jordan 4 Black Hats release later this year and you struck out like everyone else on the sneakers app, this is your choice. The thing that I love the most in this sneaker is how dope the laces end up being. Like, you don't even have to prep them like on regular Jordan 4s. You just pop your foot in and they look like this. Also, I can't confirm this, but these felt a lot more comfortable. I don't know what it is. I can't. Let me know in the comments if you felt the same, if you have both of them, if you tried both of them. Are the black ones more comfortable, or am I just being, weird? These dropped on February 26th, retail price $215, and I think they're still available. They haven't sold out, which is a good thing. It's not, I'm not bashing that. I'm happy always when the sneaker sits, so me and you can purchase it for retail instead of the resale prices on the secondary market. But yeah, that's about it. Short and straight to the point. These really changed my mind. I'm happy I own these. I'm definitely keeping them. But most importantly, let me know in the comments what you think. Whether you're male, female, let me know if this colorway is better than the white version, and did it change your mind like me, or did you just like both of the colorways? Let me know in the comments, as always, because I'm very curious to know. You can go true to size, maybe half a size up as well. As you can tell, just by the way I'm looking at these, I like these, and I'm really excited to see what Jordan Brand does next with the Jordan 4 Net lineup. I can't wait to see the next colorway. Let me know what you think. As always, thank you for watching the entire video. I'll see you on the next one.